Welcome to maths class, and today we'll do numbers up to 100. So in this chapter हम 100 तक के numbers करेंगे. Reena and Rinku went to a shopping mall. They saw a list of things there. Reena and Rinku, they are friends. Shopping mall गई है, वहाँ उन्होंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखी है. Here you can see shop है, वहाँ पे bats है, bottles, dolls, toys, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. Now you have to count and write the number and number names of the following. So here, how many dolls? So we have to count and write the number and number name. So first we'll count the doll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll write here number 8 and number name हो जाएगा EIGHT. Clear? Like this, you'll count the things, write the number and number names. Next is numerals and number names. The number in the figure, they are called numerals, and when we write in words, they are called number names. Clear? अगर हम numbers में लिखते हैं तो उसको numeral कहते हैं. If we write in words, that are called number names. Next is evolution time 1.1. Write the numeral. First is 38. So number में हम लिखेंगे 3838. Clear? So you have to write numerals for the given number names. Next, write the number names. Here the numerals is given and we have to write the number name. 69, that is 69. SIXTY 60. NINE 9. Clear? Next, counting tens and ones. So here you can see this is the group of 10. So it's called 110 plus 110 plus 110. How many tens are there? 1, 2 and 3. 3 tens means 30 plus 6. So total is 36. On abacus we can see ones की place पे 6 beats हो जाएंगे, tens की place पे 3 beats. So that will represent number 36. That is equals to 3 tens and 6 ones. Next is evolution time 1.2. Write in tens and ones. 52. So start from the right and right. First number is of ones, next is tens. So we'll write 5 tens and 2 ones. That makes 52. Clear? Next, write the numerals. 4 tens and 1 1. 4 tens means 40 plus 1, that is 41. Next, represent the following numeral on the abacus. 49. So the number at one's place is 9, so we'll make 9 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how we'll represent the number 49 on abacus. Clear? So इसी तरीके से आपको बाकी सारे नंबर को represent करना है. Next is comparison of numbers. Now we'll see how to compare two numbers. Which one is greater and which one is smaller. कौन सा बड़ा है, कौन सा छोटा है. The symbol, this is a symbol for greater than and this is for less than, is used for comparing two numbers. The symbol, this is the symbol that is used for greater than. As 67 is greater than 51, 51 से क्या है, ज़्यादा है 67. So we'll use the symbol greater than. The symbol less than is used for less than. So 36 is less than 40. 36 क्या है, 40 से छोटा, and the symbol, this is symbol equal, means both side numbers are equal. 69 equals to 69. So this is symbol for greater than. यहाँ पे जो open side है वहाँ पे क्या होगा, greater number and tail वाली side पे smaller number, and this is the symbol for less than. यहाँ smaller number and यहाँ पे greater number, and this is symbol for equal to. Clear? Next, evolution time 1.3. We have to put greater than, less than and equal in the boxes. So we'll compare the number and accordingly we'll put the sign. 69 and 72. So we know 72 is greater than 69, or we can say 69 is less than. So we'll use the symbol less than. Tail side पे हमेशा smaller number आएगा, so 69 is less than 72. Next, encircle the biggest number. जो भी number है इनमें से जो भी सबसे बड़ा number है उसको हमें circle करना है. So 25, 74 and 95. Among these number 95 is the greatest, so we'll circle it. Clear? Next, encircle the smallest number. यानी सबसे छोटे नंबर को हमें सर्कल करना है. 59, 75 and 68 में से देखें तो smallest is 59. So we'll circle it. Next is before, after and 50. Before means पहले, after means बाद में, between means दो चीज़ों के बीच में. So here you can see 3 B's. So first B is saying I am before 6, and this is saying I am between 12 and 14, and this is saying I am after 19. So कौन सी place पे है? You can see a number line. So if we talk about the first B, I am before 6. 6 से पहले क्या है? 5. Means this is the position of this B. 5 comes before 6. 6 से पहले आता है. This is saying कि I am between 12 and 14. Means 13 पे है. 12 और 14 के बीच में क्या गया? 13. And this is saying I am after 19. 19 के बाद है. What comes after 19? 20. Clear? Next is evolution time 1.4. Write the number which comes just before the given number. Means जो हमें number दे रखा है उससे just पहले कौन सा number आता है. So we know the counting. So what comes before 34? 33. Right. Next, write the number which comes just after the given number. So what comes after 50? That is 51. Next, write the number which comes between the given number. Means जो हमें number दे रखे हैं उनके बीच में 95 and 97 के बीच में कौन सा आता है? 96, 95, 96, 97. Clear? So इस तरीके से आप बाकी सारे questions करेंगे. Next, ordering of numbers. कैसे हम order में arrange करते हैं, कैसे order देते हैं, कौन सा पहले है, फिर कौन सा दूसरा है, like this. Arranging the number from smallest to largest, that is called ascending order. Means अगर हम number को smallest से largest की तरफ अगर arrange करते हैं, that is known as ascending order. Here you can see. Ascending means बढ़ते हुए. So you can see the arrow is going upward. That is the ascending order. 29, 35, 41, 55. Descending means arranging the number from largest to smallest. You can see the arrow is going downward. 59, 38, 27, 14. This is the descending order. Clear? Next, evolution time 1.5. Arrange the following number in ascending order. Ascending means increasing order, smallest to greatest. So among these numbers, smallest is 54, then 69, then 71, and the greatest is 82. So this is the ascending order of given number. Next, arrange the following number in descending means decreasing. We have to start from the greatest number. So 61, 52, 35, and 19. This is the descending order of number. Next is ordinal numbers. So ordinal numbers are the number which shows us or tells us the order of something. When objects are placed in order one after other, we use ordinal number to know the position, like the place first, second, third. So ये क्या बता रहा है? Order. So these are called the ordinal numbers. Next is evolution time 1.6. Match the position of the toffee with their ordinal numbers. So 7 means position क्या हो गई? 7th. So we'll match with 7th. Clear? So we have to match the number with its ordinal number. Next is match the position of animal. So here we have to match the animal with its position. So start, अगर हम ऊपर से start कर रहे हैं, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. अगर नीचे से करेंगे तो इसका reverse हो जाएगा. So जो सबसे ऊपर animal है that is 7th. तो हम इसको 7th से match कर देंगे like this. Next is days of week. We know there are 7 days in a week. First day is Monday, second is Tuesday, third is Wednesday, fourth is Thursday, fifth is Friday, sixth is Saturday, and seventh day is Sunday. That is our holiday. Next is months of year. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Total 12 months. Next is evolution time 1.7. Fill in the blanks. Monday is the, we know Monday is the first day of week. Clear? Next is skip counting. So count by 4 means we have to skip 3 numbers and move to the 4th numbers. Like 0 से हमने क्या किया? 1, 2, 3 को skip किया and 4th number. Again 4 के 5, 6, 7 को skip किया 8, 9, 10, 11 को skip किया 12. Clear? So it forms a sequence. 4, 8, 12, 16 you can see. 4, then 8, then 12 and then 16 इस तरीके से होगा. So the sequence is forming by leaving 4 numbers in between. Clear? Next is count by 3. अगर काउंट बाय 3 करेंगे तो हमने क्या किया, 0 से गए 3, देन 4 5 को स्किप किया 6, 7 8 स्किप किया 9, 10 11 स्किप किया 12. So again it's form a sequence 3 6 9 12 15 18. This sequence is forming by the leaving 3 numbers in between. So this is called the skip counting. Next is evolution time 1.8. Look at the pattern and complete the series. 14, 21, 28, 35. So first we have to look what is the pattern following here. So here we are following the pattern of skip counting by 7. So 14, then 21, then 28, then 35, 42 and 49, 56. Clear? Next is even and odd numbers. The number that are formed in the pair, जिसको हम pair में arrange कर सकते हैं, they are called even numbers like 12 pens. So we can make the pair 2 2 का pair बना सकते हैं. So 12 is an even number. The number which are not from the pair, they are called odd numbers. Here you can see if the number 11, if we take number 11. So if we arrange the mango in the pair 2 2 ka, so we'll see at the last one mango is left. So we cannot arrange this number into pairs. So this is an odd number. The number which have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in one's place, जिसमें number में 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 होगा one's की place पे, they are even number. And number which have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in one's place, they are called odd numbers. Next is evolution time 1.9. Encircle the even numbers. So even number we know जिसको हम pair में arrange कर सकते हैं या जिसमें ones की place पे 0, 2, 6, 4 and 8 हो. So here 1, यहाँ पे 5 है, यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 5 है. हमें even number को करना है. Here you can see 2 है. So like this we will encircle all the even numbers. Next is encircle the odd numbers. So odd numbers, that number which have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 at one's place. So this is an odd number, odd number, odd number, odd number. Like this we'll circle all the odd numbers. Next, write the odd numbers between. So we have to write the odd numbers between 18 and 34, 19. So 20 को skip कर देंगे, 21, 23, 25, 27, then 29, 31, 33. Clear? Next, write the even numbers between. So we have to write the even numbers between 11 and 25. That's 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Clear? Next, place value of the digit in the numerals. Numerals of the number is written using the digits in the numeral. Different digits have different place value. Take number 62. It's a 2-digit number. There are 2 digits, 6 and 2. The digit have the different places in the numeral counting from the right to left. अगर right to left हम count करें, first place जो का ones का, then second place is of 10th. So in the numeral 62, 2 is at ones place and 6 is at 10th place. Clear? So 62, that is equals to 6 tens plus 2 ones. Clear? Symbol for the numbers from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ये क्या कहलाती है? Digits. Has the numeral 62, the 2 is at ones place and 6 is at 10th place. Clear? So ये होती है place value. Next is expanded form. So 62 की expanded form हम देखें तो 2 as ones place. So उसकी place value क्या हो जाएगी? 2, 6 is at 10th place, so place value हो जाएगी 60. So 60 plus 2, that is the expanded form. Clear? Next is, now take another numeral of 2 digits 76. अगर हम 76 में देखें तो 6 at ones place and 7 at 10th place. So again expanded form क्या हो जाएगी? 7 tens plus 6 1, or we can write 70 plus 6. Clear? Next is evolution time 1.10. Next, write the place value of the following number 86. The place value of digit of 6 ones की place पे है तो 6 हो जाएगी, and the place value of the digit at 8 place is 80 because 8 का है टेंस की प्लेस पे. Clear? Next, fill in the blanks. The place value of the 4 in the numeral 47. 4 is at tens place, so place value हो जाएगी 40. Clear? Next, write the expanded form. 40 means 4 tens and 8 ones. Next is write in expanded form 79. So we can write 7 tens plus 9 ones, or we can write 70 plus 9. Next, write in short form 50 plus 4, that is 54. Next, write in short form 5 tens plus 7 1. 5 tens means 50 plus 7, 57. Next is mental zone. Write the ordinal number of the following letter in the given words. So B is at UMB. First, second, third letter. Next, multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. Which of the following number is the largest number? Among these numbers, the largest is 91. So C is the correct option here. Clear? So here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको समझ में आ गया है. Now to practice it.